So what's up guys, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to see how to install the PHP server in the Windows. So let's get started. First in the Chrome we have to type MySQL. Enter it. We can see the first link of the MySQL, click on it. While entering the site, you can see here the download tab. Click on it. Scroll down. You can see here the MySQL community. Click on it. After that at the last option, you can see the MySQL installer for the Windows. Click on it. So you can see two installer. We have to install the second one of 303.6 MB. Click on downloads. It will take you to another page. Click on no thanks, just start for my download. Here you can see it's downloading. After it get download, click on it. The tab will be appear. We have to choose the custom one. Click on next. Now go to the SQL, then MySQL server. Click on server 08. Then click the last option of MySQL server 8.03 64 bits. Drag it here by clicking on this arrow. Now in this application, we have to choose Workbench, then Workbench SQL 0.8, then Workbench 0.8 64 bit. Now we have to click on next. Here you can see here, ready to install the MySQL server and ready to install the Workbench. Click on execute. It's getting executing. Now click on next. Click on next. Now we have to change this port from 306 to 307. Click on next. Next. Here we have to enter a password. I will type my own password. You can type anything you want. I type again one time for confirming the password. Now click on next. It's alright. Click on next. Click on next. Now execute all these options. Click on finish. Now click on next. Now last click on finish. After this you can see one tab appeared here of MySQL workspace. You can see it. The tab had appeared here. Now before this we have to go in the folder. Choose in the C drive. In the C drive we have to go in the programmer file. Then to the MySQL. Then server 8.0 and bin. Copy this link location and go in the Windows tab. You have to write an environment variable. Now first we have to click on path. We have to click on new and paste here the location. Then click on OK. This last one OK. Now we have to go in the PowerShell. Write a CMD command prompt. Now here we have to write a MySQL minus version. You can see here we have successfully installed the MySQL here of version 8.0.39. Now right here MySQL -u -p -u root and -p. We have to write a password which have been entered before. Click on enter. Now we have entered our database. Let's enter the local instance of MySQL 80. Enter your password and click on OK. Here our workbench is open. So thank you for watching my video. Please like this video, subscribe our channel and don't forget to share it.